Sorry. Yeah, this is the Kumba Kakwagom bridge. Work ongoing. This is the crane laying the slabs on the bridge. I no go follow. Not there. What is your problem, Charles? I'm trying to do. We are here with the wife to Commissioner for New Cities. In person of Mrs. Ekongo.